Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Different projects, so switch to game dev. If one command, one command was okay. It's not there in the assembly. Start dev. Find out. Seems correct. I have to wait for a few lines to appear. So I know it's ready. Is it the correct one? I'm unsure. It has been some time. Let's see. It's dev. But I'm missing some lines. They've started. He has started the server. See, but I don't think it's started. It runs in the browser. Who closed? It starts. Interesting. Let me think for a second. It's just the server on dev. I have TypeScript in. Well, I will find out later. Let's play one round of my game first. Did I have game task? Musician or tamer I have to play? And let's start. I'm in the middle. I take musician. I think I played square last time. Let's play silent square. Besides enemies have come closer, they might attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches zero, I die. And if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. I was confused why two sounds played. Because when I place them, I place the sound now. Okay. So I get stronger the more I kill, enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. Now play until I die. Can place. This is confusing. I build in because if I'm further in, I can more listen. But if this music is playing, so if it's paused, it would make sense, I guess. Okay, this chaos. I play one round, I no longer like it. Let's get measure our time. Let's make a second where I do. It's confusing. I take reply. problem I have no defense yet. I will die fast. So I should wait. Another boss. I don't want to die. I want to reduce the possibility of dying. Next skill point I take square. Slow and hit, shield gain, both good defensive things. Let's take slow and hit. I'm still weak. Next boss to sign, let's do shield gain. But I probably still need movement speed. So even if but I don't have many nodes. Wait him. Okay. Worked perfect. I take sign again. I speed. I need some more nodes. Okay, now I have a bit more speed. I think it's fine for now. He reached me. Even 3 seconds until boss 6. I wait. The damage is good enough. Sign. Take another damage over time. Could be no dangerous. Spawn behind me. Okay, nothing added from behind. Okay. Have enough damage. Perfect. So here are a lot of enemies. Somehow I hit them all. Hi, thank you. +7 and... Oh. And mulet. What? No, combat lock. This felt like a lot of damage. 2 shoots hit me. Was I blind? Four did hit me. 152, 52 is my shield. Mini shoot, 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 shoot. He was a shooter. All four hit me if I'm inside him. This is hard. So the reason I died was because I was too close to him. Okay, but this was a one. I think it's better than what I have. Copy last replay. Let's go to long musician. Kill counter 152. Okay, it was 18k. I'm unsure what. Okay, let's take it. It's not done yet. I don't know, maybe remove it. I can play Tamer next. Now let's game task, increase version. I'm on. We're not 14 today. And let's see what I am working on. Lightning Storm. I have map modifiers. I want Lightning Storm. I was working on clouds, I remember. Trying around, activate, gain in map modifier and download. Okay, map modifier, download, here I have it. And I was trying around, create, paint. Let's see, I read, and didn't I activate it? Do I have to close, get close? Don't think so. Let's see, render clouds. Middle, 800, 800. Ah, exactly. My TypeScript is not active. Why? Do I have to install? Is there something broken? And run F. I'm sure this is a command. Now here is what did I do before? Can no longer go back. Oh, he starts compilation. Takes a while. Okay, now I see what I want to see. Maybe the install was it. Maybe too fast. Still too soon? No, here is it. Still no. You did. Oh, I'm confused. Continue trying around. Activate again in map modifier and download. Did download map modifier lightning. Maybe I have to reset because they are spawned otherwise. Confused. I don't remember how I trigger it. Let's see. Let's debug. First, let's see. Close all. Have map modifiers. My mouse wheel is a bit off if I have to scroll only a little bit. It doesn't matter now. I have lightning. I don't think this happens. It happens. Render clouds. Do I have the values in a way Let's see. Yes, I'm not close to me. 7,000 is far away. So if I do close, now it's here. Okay. This was my trying about. And so I'm back. Low alpha step size. I think I did 10 and I didn't do a move factor. I'm back to interesting how is it always this slow? I don't remember. Okay, this was the size. Increase it because it's a lot. Let's do 20 and was my time divided by 1,000 divided by 5. Every time I have to. Oh, I think I can die and then he saves. Okay, now if I restart, is it okay? It's not quite what I want. Density, factor, move factor, relate x1. Take this back, but I can comment out this one. I have here my time and my time changes. Oh, floor, and then I divide again. Direction and distance. Oh yeah. Remember having a slightly different ones. So this now takes 1, 2, 3, and 1 time per second. The trigger for it is the time. So I have to change in the floor, make it tick faster. This was my clouds which spawn in the middle and move. Move to the sides. Okay. I get it back a bit. And now what is my feature? Lightning strikes, okay, have clouds move slowly, cloud machine. Clouds start in the middle big, smaller when closer to edge, disappear if outside. I think if they start big in the middle but get smaller and they go to the edge, then I have very few clouds. So if they start small in the middle and get bigger but disappear, they get thinner. So thinner when closer to edge. But in average size, thinner when closer to edge. Go bigger other way, thinner when closer to edge. In this way, could be. So I have I cannot do. While this could be considered cloud-like, maybe. Let's see, can I? I do 40s. This would be easier. I want to do it around the player. Can I do this? I do clouds 800, 800. Camera position. Position. Area middle. Something doesn't add up yet. And modifier late. I have to follow it to exactly remember. I go over the list of modifiers, and if they have one late, I do it. So I assuming they have to decide themselves, painted or not. This is just always called. So I come to this one and this shape middle. It has a middle. It's also interesting. This relies on the middle. So my celestial direction one also needs a middle. Or the clouds just move down towards the middle. Okay, I can think about later. The middle could be just the kings. Yeah. Okay, this is solvable. Think again. I only don't do it if there are no clouds, and then I render clouds, and all this calculation happens even if I'm not around. I get the area middle and I paint on area middle. I actually want to change to draw only around a player. Only around the camera. Let's change it up. I have the camera position, and this should be my new middle. But the cloud direction is based on area middle. This should mean I should now paint. This is incorrect. Is it? Let's change the moving again to something very slow. Okay, it's confusing because okay, I see what is incorrect. I have to move it a bit. The little const fixed camera, fixed moved camera. Fixed camera. How is it? rounded tile camera is camera position. I have an X, camera position X, Y, camera position Y. I have to divide it by, do I have map? Instead map tile size and round it. It's actually not tile size, it's step size. Then multiply it with step size again. I believe it's not what I wanted to click. Try again. No, doesn't look like I wanted to, because I don't use it. Okay, better. This is what I want. Now I can move, and clouds are where I am. No more clouds. Here is a cloud. Myself. Maybe I should be invisible, so I can just run. I want small test mode, cheat, immune to damage, can't do damage, very fast, something like this. See, I am in inputs or so. Settings XML menu, there it starts. I want a new button or a checkbox. I could let's make a checkbox. Add sheet checkbox, close. Make it like, I think these are, this is a list I have to set somewhere. I want new and fast, new and fast. This might be it, but I also don't want to be fast and ignorant. My case, okay. No, I want to copy the string. No, let's copy this, find. I can see, I have cheats here. I will add a new one. This. I now need cheat checkboxes. I'm part of this. I edit this. I have listening to this. I'm listening to this. I'm only missing the case. I'm confused. Okay, this is go. And you tell me gets my new. I have to put it in here. They all go somewhere. Activate push active cheats to handle it somewhere. Chin. Just check it. I remember. Because it's now multiplayer related, I cannot just activate these things. I have to do it on a tick. So the tick where I would need to activate it. Here it only happens. Let's go. Let's use some ticking. I have do stuff, plus random stuff. Well, do I have something for cheats? Check cheats in the game. Check cheats game game state active cheats and index of not this one. Do I have known fast and ignored? It's not -1. Now I need to check if I have to know if it's active. Just I check. Should I do? I do not know who activated it, so all characters or net player, no net share of net player characters game state players if char have immune. So this is, but I also only do it once. If I want to remove them, I need an extra state for it, maybe. Trigger. Do I have anything for it? I have. This can be low cheats, low king HP. It's checked on king creation. King area is checked on king area creation. Got 2 close darknesses on start. Don't have. Which means, am I not? Something doesn't add up yet. Isn't this done on game tick? Execute cheat action. No, I do it here. I can do it here. Verify, execute, find all references. I do it. Player action. Player action happens in tick players. Yes, this is a player input. I can do it here. Go back. Don't be in main. So this is changed. I go to cheat. I can execute cheat action. F. Active cheats push. Splice. I'm confused. Do I need to be this list? I don't remember. Here I put it. And this doesn't go. I have to check the checkboxes. It does the right thing. Active cheats. I store what I activated instead of checking the boxes, which is fine. I will put them in there, although I don't know if I actually need to do this. So if I activate, I have to say all or get player jar of get player characters game state players if player jar is damage immune is debuff immune if is food immune to some more player jar base movement speed is plus equals, let's say 50, might be even too fast. Let's do 20. If I deactivate it, I do false, 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 minus 20. Let's see. No cheats. I'm not in yet. I'm confused. I would expect to be in here. I did not save. Oh, it's saved. No, I should be in here. Cheats, immune. Okay, now I'm fast. Still attack me. Can we move it? And I'm fast again. Okay. Don't want to be attacked. Is there ignore? Let's see. do? I'm a pet, I'm ignored. Then I would lose. Let's verify if I'm the enemy. I take respawn enemy. Determined character is in distance. Determine map keys in distance. Characters, chunk characters. Bosses, not faction. Player of players, and players are put in. Not faction. Only alive. Did I would continue, I calculate distance and I push and I... Okay. Length, enemy type. No, this is not players, this is... I alert close enemies. Player characters determine closest character. Akrot. Based on get player characters, yes. Closest. Do I have to be alive? Could put in a state. Or if they're not alive, the game might end. My character. So I think I need a new state ignored by enemies or something. But then my bosses might be confused. Immune is the case, fast is also the case, ignored is not. I want... Could also do flying. I no longer... Unsure. A lot of things I can't think about. I don't have anything to be ignored. That's why. Let's wait. Level. Int. Ignored by enemy, I could say. Aber hat... Or do I do test mode? No. Only player characters need this, so maybe... But I never know. Get player characters? and I filter inactive ones for okay, I have an idea how I do it for now. Put it to the character, to the player instead. Where do I have the player? Player, character client and the action press permanent data. Ignored by enemies. Boolean. I can set it when I cheat. Then I actually need the player instead of the player character. Player not by enemies too. Did it start? Let's change this. But also try flying. Hello Tassin. You made a game for Game Jam. Interesting. How long was the Game Jam? Is this like a 2-day week Game Jam? How long are they? Not enemies. I don't use this yet. This one enemy. Player characters. I will add. Care to play? Yes, I'm interested. If I can just open a browser. It's not some dubious website, let's say. I want doorway to victory. Is it HIO or something? Is it first link? Looks like it could be it. First link. Big 6 Game Jam multiplayer even. Game you will have to race against others, unlock the door as fast as possible. Unlock a door. Tutorial settings. What does settings have sound? Don't hear sound so. Tutorial. Press A and T to move. Press space to jump. Does this with other exploding the door. To do that you will have to touch plate. After that you the pressure plate. Is this something? Okay. Let's make it a bit quieter. Good. you can play the real game. One. There's a wall. Okay, I fall forever probably. Turn, play, and now continue as guest. Join. Is it required to have an enemy? Can I just start alone? Connecting, get ready. Think that I can load up maybe. I wonder if the frame rate is bad because I'm in a virtual machine. And the moveset is just jump probably. Can just hold space. That is okay. He doesn't like the explosion. Do I have to? Game over. Okay, understood. Let's go 10 and yeah. So my browser, I'm in a virtual machine, so the virtual machine likes graphics less, let's say, but even though it can perform quite well in my game case, for example. So I'm wondering, but so the problem is you need an enemy. I would guess the levels might be a bit randomly generated. Playing. Can I not play a second one? Am I only allowed to play once? I could not go back. So now can I close? Can I join myself? Okay, no. I can now fill every lobby and block it. So there seems to be a few bugs. At least it seems for me. Refresh. So I'm a new guest. Play. Refresh alone is not enough. I probably have to. I mean, you can join the second lobby, probably. But now, let's see. Is it the same level? Is it a bit generated? I could also try. Might like smaller. No, he lags still. Maybe I want a bit smoother. Can I do wall jumps? Oh. I can activate them multiple times. Don't know if it matters. the same level for above and below. Is it... I think now the game is a bit loud. Can I refresh? Is it... Save my settings? No, okay, it doesn't. Doesn't work, lol. Okay. Okay, I understand. I mean, I have frame rate issues, is probably what's the most unfun. It's very simple. I would say I don't. It's a game for start. Of course, it seems 8 in 9 days. Okay. So with multiplayer is probably the hardest part. Feel for me. But I feel like the fun side, I didn't like it. Just a simple jump and always needing to wait to fall, jump again up. It's too linear, too, what's the word? Not much differences. So no interesting jump mechanic, let's call it. It's a simple one, easy to build for 9 days. Credits. Was the only one? No, 2 with music. Okay, and someone for sprites. Does quit do? Nothing. Perfect. But it's something for a start. No, I did not do anything to, let's call it marketing. I just build for fun currently. So my game can be played. There is a public link where you could play my game, Helmi's game on render. I hope it still works. It takes to load for a while because it's a free server I'm using, which just spins up when I call the URL, and because it's free, it takes a while. But I do not have an itch account. Okay, still working my public link. Okay, back to what I was doing. I want to filter, what was it? Filter for enemies, and filter for enemies. The boolean, it's false by default. And if layers, oh, what is the weighting scale? Is it, I would probably, on the fun side and the complexity, it feels like very beginner-like. So let's see, I have a 1 to 10, 0 to 10, I would give it 2 points. It's the main issue is that the jump mechanic was not fun for me. And overall it was very simple. I saw a few bugs, so a lot to improve. But it was, it could work the game. You could play it through once and that is good enough for first try or something. These are my thoughts. I wanted to players don't. Oh, I have to filter on I players links. So I'm saying I uploaded the game to a jam, so I need votes to win, and rating is like voting, so you can probably cannot vote without an account. Is a submit page for this entry? Do I sign up to wait and leave comments? Okay, I don't have. Do you add game? Well, okay, I cannot vote without an account. Things entries 93. Okay. I'm thinking. Would register need? Create account, username, password, email. Probably the if I do it later, I will probably forget, but at least, I mean, if I want to promote my game or make it more widely known, this probably would also be an idea for me to sign up here. And then I would have an account to vote for you, but probably another time, if I remember. So my current thought is not today. So back where I was, not by enemies. But thanks for it's interesting for me to see other games, but should I say it? If the one developed it shows me it's more interesting than if I just search randomly for some little games. So thanks for sharing it. It's interesting to me, even if I don't want to spend my entire stream for something like this. I appreciate it. Go back, filter for enemies, and ignored by enemies, I continue. I think this is the case I want. So now I need this to be these enemies. I think I have to filter here. Filter for this character to. Let's see what happens. Restart. So if I go close, they should still attack me. And if I activate this, they ignore me. Perfect. Okay, I have my test condition. Now I want clouds. They go. Let's make them move more, or let's commit Can I keep it deactivated for now? Yes, then it's deactivated. The cheat for cheat, how did I call it? Immune fast ignored. Immune and fast ignored the cheat. Okay, now back to, can be closed. Can we close map modifier lightning? Don't have a boss yet. I have my ticking. I want to make it tick faster again to see. 100, okay. Oh, let's see, am is my CPU. My wanna, my paint is on 8. Why are you on 8? Oh, you are on 3. Confused. Okay, but it's more or less back to normal speed. Them to move a bit more. If 800, 800 should be ticking 5 times per second. Doesn't feel like it. Why? Something feels off. Let's restart. This is faster. Okay, I didn't restart probably. Now this cloud is moving. I can't go anywhere, but clouds are very, which is but they move in the direction I want them to move. And they are, I know where they belong, and I know I have to run here to get to the middle. Okay, this is just, they don't render enough distance. See where I have to run. Okay, now I see they move from here. So I could I can find it based on this, but and here would be more clouds. In some way it works, but can increase the probability of clouds. Density. Let's make bigger 0.2. I have this still open. Now I have more clouds. Let's see. Oh, this is other device up. This is too performant required. but it's close to what I want. It would be performant. I just realized I put them exactly over my tiles. The see what is my feature. I have to make lightning strikes. So I could, so if there's a cloud, I just take a lightning strike? I don't know. And even if I as a player have, this will be complicated. I have to think a bit more. But again, if this is, doesn't look like it's taking much frames yet, although I have to. Okay, another problem is multiplayer I would need is I'm on ticking. I have to know where to. Something is on a tick. I need to know if I can place down a lightning strike somewhere, not on paint. Checking each location. Be difficult. Can I also make the clouds white? Let's see. Currently use black, I would guess. Let's use white and see. Okay, this might be more cloud-like. Let's see what. No. Can I make the threshold different based on how far away I am? Distance. Let's see. Divided by distance. No. This is. This. I will see what happens. Get bigger clouds is if I'm further away. Yes, it's 2 because I have to further away, the more space is covered by this Perlin noise thingy. Can I improve this? Would have a center where it's all doesn't. What happened? I have negative movement speed. Interesting. Negative 18. Okay, I should restart, and now, as I understood, this is not enough. Should I make a quick fix? If this is my trigger to know if he's affected, and only then I do the change. I so I can. Oh, was I too fast? Oh, did I do this? And reset. My load sheets. Oh, how is this possible? I'm confused. Why can I? So do I do it incorrectly? Ignored by enemies? If false, then I switch. This is true. I don't switch it off. This makes total sense. Load sheets. No. Ignore. Okay, now I have cloud over dark area. Doesn't. I'm immune, you cannot do anything against. The clouds are always shaped the same. There's also not. There's long round lines. Doesn't add up to what I want. Let's think. Hmm. Okay, this is fix I can push. Cheat fix. Cheat fix. What doesn't been there? I still have a lot of problems. I need a different approach, I would guess. Should I write down my... I have... Should remember paint cloud I at move position. How is this working? Has to be... Okay, I tried this. This doesn't quite work because squares don't have destination in this sense because they don't move linear. Can I do it? Can I make them move? Let me think. I could make straight lines. Move out, no. I think so many white squares take performance. Although it didn't look like it takes that much. Can I... For paint is not much. Still have an extreme timeout. I reduce the size, it goes to 60 FPS, but my paint stays the same. Think maybe my feature is too complicated and I have to get a simpler approach. If clouds would move straight, and I don't care for them to start in the middle. I would like it less. If I make clouds start and to think I generate a cloud randomly and say, no, the area gets too big. I think I'm dependent on Perlin noise or this noise stuff, or what I want to do. But then I need to calculate it twice. Or do I first tick and can, based on the tick, I know where to paint? This would be an option. My tick determines there's a cloud where I am based on some Perlin noise, but it needs to move based on Perlin noise. Does it? Has to be synced with everyone. But I tick it. And the clouds should be consistent. Don't have to. So if I do not make the clouds consistent, but like if I need to tick them, if I run a lot, I trigger a lot of cloud creations. So I come close to the area, I generate clouds, say I only generate where my players are and only care for think lightning strike down in area. I have clouds move slowly, clouds start in the middle edge. I cannot do this. I think this is very complicated to get done in a way where it fits, so it would be more like complicated alternative generate cloud only where player is when player moves too far away from cloud, it is deleted. No consistency, but easier. I'm not sure if I'm and then cloud size would also be easier if I'm closer to the middle. I just do it. So how does a cloud look? Be some random this random shape of rectangles, like here. This looks fine. And it would move, have like a middle, which is always cloud and has lightning strikes, and cloud start and move away. I think this sounds not too hard. Be performant enough. I want to think a bit more. Maybe I should just try it out. To go with the alternative. So this is my dev steps. Too complicated. Let's move to dev steps. Should I just create a random cloud? Can I make it? So I decide, let's say, cloud size is a number of rectangles, and then just plug rectangle on rectangle and then generate the cloud. And if I want a lightning strike, I them happen random cloud location tile. It's all doable. Let's try. So let's try a function create cloud. I don't know what a cloud is or how I represent it. It's more generate. Do I need an object for it? And I want a size number. Let's make it size is like a rectangle counter. I think maybe I should have a centerpiece. No, let's think. How should I order it? So the idea is start with one piece, put piece on either side. So top, left, bottom, bottom right, and continue and take random existing piece and for counter, for size, for repeat size times. Start with one piece, put piece, start with one piece. Take random existing piece and repeat size times. So this is start one piece, start with one piece, take random existing piece, put new piece on empty side, top, bottom, left, right. So I would need existing piece with open side, let's call it open. Take a piece and put on, and then done. How to paint shape. How to paint shape. And how would the structure look like if I have a size? I could have an array. Like size is 25. I have a 5 times. No, I need more. 7 times 7. And then I generate from the middle piece. It would still be 49 tiles. How do I know I placed? So if I have a cloud, I have to decide how the data structure for this works. And then I can decide, but I need a small break. I will be back. Short bathroom break. Okay, I'm back. And I was thinking about how I make random clouds and how I store them. To think a bit. I I I want to have isn't it like a lot of ways I can do it, but I have just one dimensional array and I just paint them. I have an easy start. I make it an object with a beginning so I can easier decide what's used and what not. Like a hash map. It might not matter at all for small clouds. So let's say I have a const cloud tiles array. No, let's give it a type. An array of positions. This is my cloud. I put in tiles. It's hard to know cloud tile push the 0, 0, 0, y, 0. Then do I do a for? Let me think. I can do a while. It might be easier for some cases. Let's try to start with a while. While cloud tiles length is smaller size. I something first. And random tile is next random. I need the state. Game state? Game state? Or do I take the game? I think normally I take the game. Let's have everything. Game state random seed. I this is times cloud tiles length and then it, so I have an index, random tile index, const random tile is cloud tiles random tile index. I would need to know if I have const opens that left is free, that right Oh, they start true. Start true and bottom is 3. Now I loop for E tile of cloud tiles if tile x is random tile x and tile tile x tile y random tile is fine. This is the center. Now I need to move it. If I start with left, -1 this, then left is 3 is false. I move to the right, then right is 3 is false. Move up. I have top is 3, and I move down, bottom is 3, and if left is to bit counter is 4. Can I do this? Let's do it a bit differently. Left would be x, y. Net. Have to cough a bit, so I muted myself, but I hope it's better. Random tile x, something is off. Left is -1. So I change it up. This might not even be. I change again. These are options, and this is an array. One too many. Plus, minus, plus. These are all sides. Side options. Now I don't do it like this. I have 2 for loops. And the second one, that's because I need to splice out in some case. Do an I-based Side options, length. This is incorrect. I need to delete, so I start this. I equals 0. I go backwards. So if tile x is side options I x and same for y, side options splice I, and if I can through all, I have to check my cloud tiles if side options length is bigger 0. I would do const random index, random side index is next random state random seed times side options length. This has to be float, so I will an index. Now I cloud tiles push side options random side index, and if I do this I should have a cloud at the end. So let's return cloud tiles, cloud tiles. Okay, let's make type cloud is cloud, let's call it tiles is position array, and I have position. This is my cloud, and position array is what I want turned. Let's the paint tick, but for now I do not care. Why did I commit this Perlin noise stuff? Bit different. Okay, I committed it. I can throw it away. Too close working trees. Oh. I do cloud tile size is 40. On to tile camera. I don't care. We need a loop. editor, paint, delete stuff. I don't have a density. I have a global alpha here. So like I could run cloud tiles is this, generate cloud. I do 10 game. Now I need to loop over them. Just positions I could get paint position middle, fine. Then I play the cloud out. So let's make tile of cloud tiles. And now I have tile x times cloud tile size, paint position, and same for y. And these are my size. With this I would paint a single different cloud each tick, each paint tick, and I will see what happens. I pause. Do I see? Oh, it's paint not articulated. Let's see. I have make clouds, cloud array. I clouds, an empty array. I if shouldn't do it in the paint, but this is fine for now. I do render clouds. I don't have the modifier here, interesting. So maybe I move up. This is all move it up for now. The middle have cloud size. I paint stuff. Could do this, and I need move away. Tiles don't exist yet. Okay, let's do if fire, but modifiers not const lightning is modifier as modifier lightning. Oh, if lightning clouds length is, I should check for 0. I will generate a cloud. No, just lightning push. Generate a cloud. This is indeed not a cloud. I have const cloud should be type cloud is equals. This is one part of it. Can you tiles the part and position be 0? Why? No. Okay. And I push the cloud. And now that cloud of opening clouds cloud and cloud tiles I do. Now I should have one consistent cloud. Okay, I broke it. No error here. I have to delete. That should work. Make it close. I have one cloud. I'm back to I'm confused. I don't have breaks. Oh, my cheats, where are cheats? Cheats are buggy. Cheat. Yes, all activated. Not good, not good. I will not do it anymore. I will click here and see if this just is fine. I can do close. No, I changed it. Another try. Reload. I'm slow. Doesn't react, doesn't react, doesn't react, doesn't react, reacts. Okay, this looks fine. Okay. Another cheat fix. Bug fix cheat. Back to my cloud. I have a cloud. This is a decent cloud. It doesn't move, but I can make it move. I still need to cloud position X and cloud position. So now we have some ticking. Game init, grow area. Don't have ticking. I do not have ticking. I will do it in paint. me think. I will just move it randomly. Out position x plus equals 1. The cloud moves. Yes, it moves. I could make it move in any direction. It's now okay. This can be used to work. I can use to work with. I have an idea with which I can work. What is my time? Already hungry. Okay, but I have an idea. So I cannot. I shouldn't continue today. I deactivate the lightning again to push. Thing in here. Test. This is done. I have lightning storm. Let's clear up. I no longer do the Perlin noise. Things strikes down in area. Clouds move slowly. Cloud machine. Clouds start in the middle. Average size go bigger further away. Thinner side. Cloud size makes. Okay. Yeah, that's like. Okay. Have the alternative generate cloud only where player is. When player move too far away from the no. And what are the next steps? The map modifier needs tick. Generate clouds in tick if player need area. Make clouds move away from middle. Make clouds throw lightning strikes. More frequently in middle. Okay. Clouds move away from middle. Generate clouds and tick if player near. Okay, this is fine. I have work in progress. Map modifier lightning. I push it and this. I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.